Hello guys, in this video we'll see how to install Google Chrome stable version on Ubuntu Linux 24.04.3 LTS version. Okay, first open the default browser, that is Firefox. Now go to Google or any search engine and search for download Google Chrome. Then click on the fast and secure web browser. Then click on download Chrome. For Ubuntu or Debian type of operating systems, we have to select this .debian package. So select this radio button and click on accept and install. See, download started and its size is about 113 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will install this .debian package. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads, LS. See, here we have the Google Chrome stable current version Debian package. You have to install it. Sudo dpkg -i, then Google, then press the tab from your keyboard to autofill entire Debian package name, then hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. See, you have successfully installed. Now go to show applications. See, here we have the Google Chrome. Click on it to open. Then see here, if you want to make Google Chrome as the default browser, you have to give the checkbox. And if you want to automatically send user statistics and task reports to Google, you have to select this one. It is up to you. Then click on OK. Then don't sign in. Then scroll down. Then click on got it. See, you got the Google Chrome web browser. Okay. So we have successfully installed. Now go to terminal. ls. This file is not required anymore. Remove it to clear the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install Google Chrome stable current version on Ubuntu Linux 24.04.3. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.